Court is now in session. I have appointed as members of this court Space Command Representative Lindstrom, Starship Captain Krasnovsky, Chandra. Captain Kirk, I direct your attention to the fact that you have a right to ask for substitute officers if you feel that any of these named harbor prejudiced attitudes to your case.
I have no objection, sir.
Do you consent to the service of Lieutenant Shaw as prosecuting officer and to myself as president of the court?
I do, sir.
All right, clerk.
Charge, culpable negligence, specification in that on star date 2945.7, by such negligence, Captain Kirk James T. did cause loss of life, to wit, the life of Records Officer Lieutenant Commander Finney Benjamin, to all recorded charges and specifications. What is the plea?
Not guilty.
Proceed, Lieutenant.
I call Mr. Spock.
Spock, serial number S179-276SP, service rank, Lieutenant Commander, position, First Officer, Science Officer, current assignment, USS Enterprise, commendations, Vulcanian Scientific Legion of Honor, awards of valor, twice decorated by Starfleet Command.
Mr. Spock, as a first officer, you know a great deal about computers, don't
I know all about them.
you? It is possible for a computer to malfunction, is it not?
Affirmative.
Do you know of any malfunction which has caused an inaccuracy in the Enterprise computer?
Negative.
That answer is based on your mechanical survey of the Enterprise computer, ordered by the defendant prior to this trial, is it not?
Affirmative.
Now, the star
But the
date...
computer is inaccurate, nevertheless.
Why do you say that?
It reports that the jettison button was pressed before the red alert.
In other words, it reports that Captain Kirk was reacting to an extreme emergency that did not then exist.
And that is impossible.
Is it? Were you watching him the exact moment he pressed the jettison button?
No, I was occupied. The ship was already on yellow alert.
Then how can you dispute the finding of the law?
I do not dispute it. I merely state that it is wrong.
Oh. On what do you base that statement?
I know the captain. He is
Please instruct the witness not to speculate.
Lieutenant, I am half Vulcanian. Vulcanians do not speculate. I speak from pure logic. If I let go of a hammer on a planet that has a positive gravity, I need not see it fall to know that it has, in fact, fallen.
I do not see what that
Gentlemen, human beings have characteristics, just as inanimate objects do. It is impossible for Captain Kirk to act out of panic or malice. It is not his nature.
In your opinion.
Yes. In my opinion.
Thank you. Your witness, Mr. Cobb.
No questions.
You may step down.